If your giant keeps getting roasted by mini PEKKA, you're not alone. If your towers are falling faster than your elixir fills, we gotta talk. Arena 4 doesn't stand a chance when you know the secrets. First up, deck balance is your best friend. Grab your giant as your main tank, musketeer for air defense, Valkyrie for crowd control, and mini PEKKA to bust enemy tanks. Add bomber, arrows, and spear goblins for support. Need extra defense? Swap in knight or inferno tower. Now strategy time. Defend efficiently. Don't panic spam cards. Let your opponent make the first move, counter with fewer elixir, and keep any surviving troops for a counter push. Drop your giant in front and boom, instant pressure. Elixir is gold. Don't waste it. If you're full, start a slow push behind your king tower. Always look for positive trades, like using arrows to zap swarms for cheap. Last tip, know your counters. Skeleton army versus prince, musketeer versus baby dragon, Valkyrie on witch, mini PEKKA, or inferno tower for big tanks. Stick to these basics, and you'll be out of Arena 4 in no time.